It is Friday night and I feel alright. Hey guys, welcome back to Flo's Kitchen. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you're not new, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make Diri Jon Jon. That's right guys, mushroom rice with a little spin. So these are the ingredients that you will need for this recipe. You'll need some frozen vegetables, a Maggie Jon Jon cube, a chicken bouillon cube, some coconut milk, epis. You'll need some rice, tritri, which is dried shrimp, and some olive oil. Very easy, simple ingredients to make this delicious Diri Jon Jon. Alright, first step is to go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of oil to fry up. And then you're going to drop in 1 cup of mixed vegetables, guys. Just like so, you want it to simmer up and fire up and just fry. And then you're going to add your Maggie cube. You're going to add the Jon Jon Maggie, and you're going to add the you're going to also add your chicken bouillon cube. That's right. I had a brain fart there. Sorry, guys. I had a long day with 3 kids under 5. That's a lot of work, guys. A lot of work. And then trying to teach y'all how to cook. Anyways, so you're going to go ahead and spin. Did I say spin? No, it's not spin. You're going to, work that thing in there. All right, work it in there. Work that Maggie Jon Jon inside of that vegetable. All right, and then you're going to drop about 1 cup. Did I say 1 cup? 1 cup is a lot, my goodness. No, it's going to be 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of tritri, which is the dried shrimp. This gives the rice a very good tasty, flavorful consistency. All right guys, it's gonna taste wonderful. That tritri, if you're allergic to shrimp, I would, this is optional. If you're allergic or don't like seafood, this is optional. You don't have to put it in. But for those who love seafood, go ahead and put that tritri, because that tritri is off the tritri chain, honey. Okay, it is off the chain. All right, guys. So now once you have already incorporated your Maggi and all of that, now you're going to drop in your coconut milk. That's about 1/4 cup of coconut milk and 1 tablespoon of epis. All right. If you have not watched my epis video, guys, please go and watch it. It will change your life when you're making Haitian food and you put that epis. Ooh, change your life, honey. It is good. When I say good. So now you're going to go ahead and drop about 2 cups of water. You're going to let that boil up just like so. And then you want to add in your rice. Remember from my white rice recipe, I told you for every 1 cup of rice, it's 2 cups of water. All right, so that's how you know how much water you need and how much rice you need. So for every 1 cup of rice, you're going to add 2 cups of water. So go ahead and mix that up, guys. Mix it up like so. Give it some good loving. All right, let it boil up for about 10 to 15 minutes while mixing it. You want to make sure you remove all of the clumps while mixing. And then once it's boiled up like that, you cover it up. And then after 20 minutes on medium, you have beautiful Diri Jon Jon. I added my crawfish afterwards because my husband loves crawfish. I mean, I've just been putting crawfish in everything that I make nowadays. But this is the recipe, guys. If you like it, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you again for watching. Bye.